Yesterday we looked at practicing with squares and square roots with numbers. Today we're going to take a look at variables. So we have here 5ab squared, which 5ab squared simply means, that we're going to have 5ab times 5ab. We're going to multiply that out. 5 times 5 is 25. And a times a is a squared. And b times b is b squared. So 25a squared b squared would be my solution. Likewise, we have negative x cubed y to the fifth squared, which means we're going to take negative x cubed y to the fifth times negative x cubed y to the fifth. And when I multiply this out, I'll take negative x cubed times negative x cubed, which negative times negative is positive. X cubed times x cubed is x times x times x times x times x times x, which means I'm going to have x to the sixth. And then I can take y to the fifth times y to the fifth, which is y times 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 y, which is y to the 10th. Notice I take and add my exponents when we multiply with the same base. Looking at our third example here, we've got 6f to the 7th g to the 6th squared, which means we're going to take 6f to the 7th g to the 6th, and we're going to multiply that by 6f to the 7th g to the 6th. And yes, I do expect you to write out your work. So we go ahead and multiply. We first start with our 6 times 6, which is 36. Then we move on to f to the 7th times f to the 7th, which is f to the 14th, because 7 plus 7 is 14. And then we take g to the 6th times g to the 6th, which is g to the 12th.